welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another DIY project. How to replace or how to remove the baseboard. This is my dining area. I had the hardwood floor and I'm going to replace it with the tiles. So in the family room I had the carpet, and in my living room also I had a hardwood floor. So after removing all those, doing all the prepping, the next step is to remove the baseboard. What tools you really needed? So you need a hammer, and this is the nail puller. This is the house knife. This is what you need to remove or replace these baseboards without damaging the walls and the baseboard itself. And you can reuse these baseboards again. Why I'm removing it? I had an existing wood floor and I'm replacing with the tiles. And that was the reason I had to remove these baseboards. And let's get started. You just watch this one, I will show you, then I will bring close in and you will see it. At this moment, I have removed this much. So I'm going to place my nail puller, pull it towards myself, just like this, not too much force. And then the knife, the house knife, we're going to run it through just like this. And we don't have to rush it. We just run like 6 to 7 inches. Then, as we move along, we're just going to pull this puller and the hammer to the next position. Bring the nail puller again. I'm going to do this. Then, I will just cut through. And now let me close in. Now we're going to bring the nail puller a little forward, just like this. Then we're going to pull it towards us, not too much force. This will break. Now I'm going to run the knife again, just like this. And then we're going to slide it again, a little bit forward. And that's it. We are at the corner. So you've seen it. And now we're going to pull with the hammer. Now we're going to use a puller here. And now, even with the hand, we just pull it out. So all those nails are going to come out, just like this. The whole baseboard comes out easily. So you've seen it. It was simple and easy to remove or replace the existing baseboard in your house. It's not that you have to replace your baseboard the time you are renovating it. It can be you don't like these baseboard and you want to put a new one or different kind, and then you need to remove it. So without damaging, how to remove it, that I show it to you. Please share your comment below if you found this video to be helpful, and if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you soon with another DIY. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.